I feel blessed to be welcomed in a new country by a whole family of lovely, accomplished and caring people who are willing to invite me in and allow me to even try to become one of them. And so when you put all of this together and you look at the lowly boy who left Lagos, no idea what he was doing, just sort of going around, and somehow God and fate has brought us together. So I feel lucky.
Oh wow, we were in Mombasa, in Diani, at home, and we had just made a meal on New Year's Day, and I didn't know that I was setting the stage for my own proposal. Because the whole day he was acting weird, and I was like, what's going on? I didn't know that he was so nervous he couldn't really speak. And he doesn't usually give speeches, but he stood to give a speech, and I was like, okay, interesting. Maybe it's a New Year's resolution. I wasn't even really listening, to be honest, because I wanted to compete with him and do a better speech. But then I had, on that note, do you, Cynthia Munyangi Kampuni, will you be my wife? Whoa. I was like, what? No, that's when I started listening. But I was more, I burst into tears for like 2 minutes, but he was still on the track kneeling down, so it got a bit awkward because he was really itchy. No, I kneeled on glasses. So I finally said yes, and he was more than happy. Yeah.
Too fresh like morning wine. Everybody they wait. Utakene no more. If I didn't maka, better soup na money kilamo. I don't want pekem ya. Ada. Hey adamwa. Ada. Yo. Ada. Adamwa. Cheya samwa. Hey ada. Everybody they wait. What you utakene no more. Mommy, bye bye. Daddy, bye bye. In 9 months' time, we will come visiting with a boy and girl and a Bejima. Adada.